Hi friends, I thought it might be helpful to have a video with instructions on how to put a picture into your Word document. So in my browser you can see I have my Word here and I clicked on a blank document and here's my blank document. Of course yours won't be blank, it will be the document that you saved with the answers to the questions for your Saint project. So up here it'll say your first initial, last name, and then Saint project. And then you'll have your answers. So if I have typing here, we'll just pretend that I answered all my questions because I'm an awesome student like you guys. All right, so there's that. And then I want to put a picture here. There are two different ways you can do it, and depending on your computer, one might be easier than the other. So here I just Googled, my saint's going to be Saint Elizabeth Ann Seton. She's my confirmation saint. So I'm going to pick whichever picture I want of her. I'm going to pick this one because it looks pretty. And then I am going to either right click or double click on this picture, and that's what popped up that little menu box. So when I right click on that picture, this pops up. I can either copy the image or I can save the image. So first, I'll show you how to copy. So make sure you hit this copy image, not the copy image address. So I'm going to click that copy image, and I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I am going to paste that image in. To paste, all computers are a little bit different, but most computers you can hit Control and hold the Control button in, and then hit V, and it'll paste that picture right in. Okay? If that does not work for you, you can always go like this. So again, right click on that picture, and I'm going to save this image. So this is going to take that picture from the internet and save it onto my computer. You want to save it as something you're going to be able to find. So just change the name up here. And then it tells you where it's going to save it to. I'm just going to save it to my desktop because as soon as I use it, I'm just going to delete it from my computer. So then I click Save, and you can see that down here it says that it's saving. Then I'm going to go back here and make sure that my cursor is down below my answers. If you look up here where it says File Home, the next one is Insert. You're going to click on that and then click on Picture right here. I want to insert a picture from this device. And then I need to click this Choose File button so that I can see which file it wants me to include. I saved it to my desktop, so I'm just going to click on my desktop here. And look, here is that picture. Click, select that one, and then hit the Open button. And then just click Insert. And there's my picture. I think also that you can insert, so go back to that insert and click on the picture. If you click this Bing button, it should let you search for pictures. Here is Saint Elizabeth. So as you can see, some of these pictures are nice, but I get better results from Google. But I could always do that and just click Insert there too. And that one was nice and easy as well. So either way you decide to do that, those are 3 different options on how to get your picture in the document. Now, once you have your picture in your document, if you would like to move it around, there's a couple things that you need to do first. Okay, so make sure you click on your picture, select it. Click up here where it says Picture, and then this wrap text, if you put it behind the text, you can move it wherever you want on the page. All right, I hope that helps and answers some questions. Bye.